Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I try to save you money as well as myself. So today, I'm going to replace the cabin air filter on a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. This is what I'm replacing it with. '15 Hyundai Sonata. And at the end of the video, I will show you how much the dealership was going to charge me to replace this right here, as opposed to me doing it by myself. Are you ready for this journey? Let's go. Okay, so the cabin air filter is located in the glove box. It's located in the glove box. So what you want to do first of all is ensure that the glove box is clean. All right. So what you're going to do is you have a knob right here, a screw right here, and you have one right here. What you want to do is you want to unscrew these. Once you unscrew those, you got to come here and take this off right here, and I'll show you how that's done. So what we're going to do first is unscrew these knobs here. That's one. They're very simple. That's two. And now, only thing holding it now is this right here. Now, I got this camera in my hand. It's going to be kind of difficult for me to do this with the camera and stuff. So just bear with me. But what you want to do is, you want to squeeze this together, and you want to pull this out. Okay? I'm going to try to do it just like that. Pretty simple. Now, what happens is, it's going to fall like this. The glove box falls down like that. Just like that. Now what you're looking for is right here. Behind this door right here is your cabin air filter. Now what you want to do is, you want to come on this side right here. You have a little a latch right here. Push into your left on this latch and pull it out on this door. Push into your left and pull it out on this door. Lay it down. There's your air filter right there. And what you want to do is reach your fingers in there. You want to pull it out. Let me show you how dirty this is. So as you can see, this does need changing. Yes, we have to replace this. Let me put a side-by-side comparison. Here's the before, and here's the after. Okay, so you see that sign that says airflow? You see those arrows pointing down? You want to be sure arrows are pointing down before inserting this. Be sure the arrows are pointing down before inserting. I know the words are backwards, but the arrows have to be pointing down before inserting this back in your vehicle. Okay? So all you're going to do is come under here. And push it in. Just like so. Just like so. And you want to put everything back together in reverse order. Put this on the side here. So you can start from this side here. Get a grip on the side here. Okay, you want to put this end piece in this groove right here. That groove right there goes in like so, and you want to close it together just like so. sure it's nice and tight. And that's it. You have just replaced your cabin air filter on your 2015 Hyundai Sonata. You put everything back in reverse order. You put the glove box. Glove box. Snap that on. You get your two knobs here. One. You gotta make it fit in the grooves. You know what I mean? And there you go. All done. So I want to apologize for the camera being everywhere. It's kind of hard to do when you holding the camera and trying to do it with one hand. But anyway, you get the idea. Just that easy. So as I said, I'm going to show you at the end of this video what it would have cost me at the dealership to replace that same item right there, as opposed to me buying from Amazon. And I'm going to leave the link in below of how much it cost me on Amazon. So again, I thank you for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and like and send me comments. And as I said in the beginning, I'm trying to save you money. I'm trying to save myself money. This is pretty simple. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. If I can do it, you can do it.